Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little makeup tutorial on how to achieve this look. So let you guys see it. So you see I have the red liner going. It's just popping. So stay tuned to see how you can achieve this look. Hey guys, so the first things first, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia dip brow and I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I have an eyebrow tutorial on my page on how I do my eyebrows, so I'm not going to really go into depth about that, and I'm going to be making an updated one soon. So then I'm going to be taking my concealer, and you can use any type of concealer. I kind of switch my concealers up, and I'm just going to be concealing my brows. For makeup, I take the longest doing my brows because I like my brows to be popping, as you can see if you follow me on Instagram. So now we're just going to blend that out and blend. So then I'm just going to be taking whatever foundation I'm going to be using and using that to clean up the top part of my brow. And this is a darker color than the color that I put underneath my brow. Not by much though. So I'm just going to keep blending so it doesn't look weird. Now I'm just going to be taking some eyebrow gel so you know my eyebrows don't fall off. And I'm just kidding. So now I'm going to be taking a lighter shade of concealer just to basically be able to prime the eyelid to put the eyeshadow on so the eyeshadow can really pop, because I am doing a brighter color along with this wing, so I kind of need some help, basically like a base. So my palette is from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just taking the lightest color in there, and I am just dabbing that onto my little, what shape should we call this? I don't even know. So now I'm going to be applying some tape to help me get this wing liner going. This is my first time using this wing, eyeliner from ColourPop. And honestly, it was very like dried out, so I did have a difficult time, and I suck at doing wings. So it was not perfect, but you can see the look I was definitely going for. So definitely I keep going back in and trying to fix and match because I don't like it when it looks uneven. Yeah. Now I'm putting some primer on my face because now I'm about to start my face, and I'm just taking my Too Faced primer. So then I'm going to be using my LA Pro Girl color corrector just on my dark spots, as you see I'm doing right now. Then I'm just going to be applying my foundation that I use on my face, and yeah, look at me go. Then I'm going to be taking a damp beauty blender and I'm going to be blending in the foundation. Blend, blend, blend. You gotta blend or you're going to look crazy. Then I'm going to be taking my LA Pro Girl concealer and I'm going to be using that to highlight. So I'm just going to be applying that. And then, of course, guys, we're going to blend, blend, blend. Then I'm going to be taking my LA Pro Girl concealer in a darker shade, and I'm going to be using that to contour. I personally like using concealers to contour better than powders or anything like that, because my face is I have dry skin, so the powder just makes my face look dry. So now I'm gonna take my time blending, because I don't want to mess up I don't want to get my highlight in my bronzer. Well, yeah, so I kind of make that mistake a lot, so yeah. So now I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to be using that to set everywhere that I concealed. Then I'm going to be taking a little bit of a bronzer just to kind of bring it out a little bit more. Then I'm going to be taking a brush and just blending that setting powder in. Now I'm going to be taking some mascara, and I'm just going to be putting some mascara on my lashes so I can go ahead and put my lashes in on. I did upload a video about me putting my lashes on. Check that out. I did film that off camera. And now I'm just applying some highlight to give me some glow. Now the lashes are on, so I'm just going to be making sure they are secured, and I'm going to be putting some mascara on. And then I'm going to be taking my Juvia's Palace, and I'm just going to be using a red shade to put it on my lower lash line to give it the ooh la la red. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my lip liner I got at the beauty supply store, and my NYX lip gloss. I don't even know the name of it. And this is my absolute go-to routine. So yeah, you probably see me wearing this shaded color. I actually just finished it. I need to go to Ulta and get some more because I just love it. Now here I am checking myself out, making boomerangs, making sure I look great. And I'm going to take my more setting spray and just spray this face away so my makeup won't fall off my face. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing some more looks. You know, I don't normally ever wear eyeliner and shit and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up. I will insert a picture of the full look right about here. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below. Bye.